That's amazing. I never thought just by uploading some videos people would feel so like engaged with it and impacted, and feel so positive about it, because the world is just full of negativity. As you know, if you turn on the TV or get on social media, it's a lot of negativity. So what's up, YouTube family? We're here at this mobile home here, just giving a house wash, rinsing off the porch. I told him I didn't, don't feel comfortable pressure washing it. I'll rinse it off real good, but it's a pretty straightforward job. They turned down my estimate originally, but then as I was driving down the road, they called me back and said, hey, okay, let's go ahead and get it done. So there you go. Anyway, straightforward job, not too hard. I mean, I guess the screened in porch kind of annoying, but nothing out of the ordinary. Just another day at the office. Let's get it. Soaked that side already, so just gotta rinse it off. There we go, baby, look at that. Here we go, here we go. All right, I just soaked this side. It's only been sitting for like a minute, 2 minutes. You already see it starting to do its work. Had all kind of black, like mildew stuff up there. So I'm just letting it dwell for a couple minutes and I'll rinse her off, baby. It had a little bit of oxidation on it, so you definitely don't want to put pressure on it. Everything's looking good. All right, so that was the trick. It's only sat for like 3, 4, 5 minutes, maybe, not even. It's all gone, looking good. All right, I'm gonna soak down this little back section. I couldn't reach it from the other side. Again, my other 100-foot hose busted, so I gotta go get it fixed after this job. But I couldn't quite reach right here in this little corner. I was over there, so I'm gonna soak this side. Let's wait for the soap to get into the line. I'll let the soap come through. It usually takes 10 seconds. I'll just soak this side. This is the corner I couldn't hit. So make sure that gets done nice. I'll even go a little further just in case I couldn't reach all the way down here. I was kind of spraying and praying. You know what I mean? Any of my gamer people, spray and pray. Look at that stuff just melting off. Stuff is just melting right off. Just soak this corner and that back side. You can see it. We're doing its magic already. All right, this side is done, soaked and rinsed. Looks great. This was probably the worst side. This is the side that don't get any sun, so. And that's just a reflection on it. It looks green, but it's not. Looks great. All right, look at this. This is the bad side right here, the front of the house. You can see that. We're about to knock it out. This is it. All I have is a porch and this side and I'm done. I've only been here for not even an hour. Let's go. This is it. It's painted wood, so I'll put SH on it. It won't do anything to it. So probably hit up there too. I think that's all like mildew. That's it. All right, so I'm done. All packed. Not all packed up. I gotta pack up and then I'm out of here. But it's pretty straightforward, easy job. It's 12 o'clock. I didn't even really start till 10:30. So good job, pretty easy. I appreciate you guys following me, watching my videos, commenting. I love all of it. So just keep on supporting me and hopefully you learn something or get inspired. Or if you have any advice for me, just leave me a comment or call me, text me, anything. My phone number's on my channel, so I'll get back to you for sure. And I already have like a handful of people that text me and call me sometimes asking for advice, or veterans that are just trying to encourage me and give me different ideas. And I actually have a gentleman on here that's sending me a shooter tip, so I really appreciate that. You know who you are. That's amazing. I never thought just by uploading some videos people would feel so like engaged with it and impacted, and feel so positive about it, because the world is just full of negativity. as you know, if you turn on the TV or get on social media, it's a lot of negativity. So I appreciate you guys for the support and the love, and I wish you all the best, and I hope you succeed in your business or your side hustle, whatever it is for you. Anyways, thanks guys.